In this video, I'll walk you through step by step, show you how to replace the battery in your Audi Q5 key fob. This is a really easy process. It'll just take you a few minutes, and the only thing you'll need is a replacement battery, which is a CR2032. You'll only need one of these. If you're interested, go check out that link down in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a good price. To open this thing up, we just want to flip it over, hold down the button on the back, remove the key. Over here on the front side, down on the bottom, this little part is actually a button. So you're going to hold that down and pull and wiggle out this internal piece. The battery is right there, and you can just simply remove it with your fingers. Grab your new battery, which is a CR2032, and when you're ready to put it in there, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. And you'll just click that into place, positive side down. Ready to put it back in now, so just slide it in, push it all the way down, and then you can put the key back on there. And that's all it takes. If you want to make sure the light is turning on, you could just push the buttons, make sure that that is activating, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment, and if you ever need help with another key fob, come on back to this channel. We'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.